Left dig. Elbow control. Nice. Take that. Keep it. 2 hands on that. 2 hands on that. Go to your stomach. Good. Cut. Drive. Settle. Look where you're at. Good job. 2 hands on that. 2 hands on that. Good. Stay low. It's coming. Heavy hands. Elbow control. Yay! Pressure forward. Elbow control. Keep that wrist. Pressure forward. Yep. Taco. Pull your wrist out. Circle in. Score. Circle the other way. Circle. Pull them in. Snap. Up. Take it. Up. Elbow control. Hand control. Hey. Elbow control. It's there. Heavy hand. Elbow control. Snap. Yep. 2 hands. Face him. 2 hands. Knee slide up. Drive on your feet. Hey. Misdirect. Yep. Stay low. Up. Get one. No cradle. Keep that hand. Fight that hand. Up. Tripod up. Fight the hands down there. Watch the cradle. Keep that hand. You good? Circle out the other way. Keep big. Circle out the other way. Get one. Hand fight. Yep. Up. You're up now.
Andy.
Sorry.
Spiral's coming in. Fight that hand. Build up. Slide up. Fight the hands. Keep his hand when you fight. Build up. Head up. Get the Iowa out. Head up. Fight the hands. Good. Over your head. Knee slide up or step over. You can hurdle. Head up.
Hard up.
Fight the hands down there. Good. Don't go. Go hard. Head up. Keep going. Good. Hey, let's go. Let's work.
Go, Jacob.
Fight the crossface. Keep the crossface hand off your arm.
Got this, Jacob.
Get the crossface hand off your arm. Pinch your knees together. Build up. Get that leg out. Roll out your wrist. Pop the top. Head up. Give me one. Let's go. You're up. Up. Cut away. Up. Don't give him the wrist. Build up. Yep, circle out that way. Face him. Yes. Work. Keep that. Hard over. Hold. Keep going. Kick. Into him. That way. Good job, Jacob. Fight the cradle. Hard into him. Good. Put up. Kick. Again. Good. You're out. Head up. Look away. Build up. Keep big. Time. Down. to see a lot down there.
You guys just keep working on keeping these maps clear. Just keep working on keeping these maps clear. If you are behind the scoring stream because you're up next quarter, be mindful of those people who are trying to watch the matches on the opposite side of you and take a knee.
Pull that arm. Get up. Get up. Get back up.
We are live streaming these matches on Hoover.
Watch the middle. Watch the middle. Don't go. Don't
Same
go.
thing. If you're in the middle, you're watching the match. If you're by the doorway, please keep those areas clear so traffic can flow in and out smoothly. I understand what this place is.